Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Come test drive the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, pass-through rear seat, telematics. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.